Hello and good day, and welcome to the official Arbistar 2.0 presentation. Arbistar 2.0 was founded and directed by three grand professionals, each of them working in their respective fields. Diego Felipe Fernandez, who is the Director of Operations, has more than 10 years working in digital marketing. Victor Franz, Director of Development and Technology, who has a master's from Oxford University in Technology and Computing, and who is in fact the creator of all softwares created by Arbistar 2.0. He is also the supervisor of the technical and development team. Santi Fuentes, the executive director, the CEO, with more than 30 years experience in the creation and development of commercial teams and referral marketing. The Arbistar 2.0 headquarters are located in Tenerife in the Canary Islands, which pertains to the SEC zone, Zona Especial Canaria, which means the Special Canary Zone. Any client is more than welcome to visit our offices, always when upon request and appointment. So what is the principal method that Arbistar 2.0 has been using since the creation in the beginning of the year? Arbistar 2.0 has been working in the world of cryptocurrency, taking advantage of a method referred to as arbitrage. This is the method in which one can take advantage of the difference in prices that can exist in the same currency, in this case, the same cryptocurrency, but in different exchanges. For example, if we look right now at this exchange called Binance, which is quite known and popular, we can notice that most likely the Bitcoin in this example is at a different price than, let's say, a different exchange, where in this case we're using Poloniex. But this can be used with any multiple exchanges that we can find nowadays. So, by taking advantage of this difference in price, we can buy in the exchange which is least expensive and then sell where it is the most expensive. This is one of the most intelligent ways to take advantage of the different prices of the same currency. Arbistar 2.0 products that are working right now. Currently we have the Community Bot. The Community Bot is a software which is one way to make a contribution which is 100% automatic. A client can make a contribution to their platform or to their personal back office from anywhere between 300 to 50,000 euros, always when sent in Bitcoin. All profits are always generated in Bitcoin and are liquidated every Saturday. This is to say that the Community Bot will be making and performing operations and generating a percentage of benefits every day, where 70% will be the benefits of the client and the other 30% will be the company's benefits. Once Saturday comes along, the client can decide if they want to receive a payout of their profits in their personal Bitcoin wallet, or the contrary, can reinvest their profit automatically, which is called compounding, and thus growing their capital. There are no member fees, starting packs, and much, much less. 100% of what the client contributes is 100% of what is invested in the market. On the other side, we have what is called the personal bot. The personal bot counts with limited units available. This personal bot can work with different forms of arbitrage. For example, the parallel arbitrage, the intra-exchange arbitrage, and the automatic arbitrage, which is currently under development, and which is the best way a crypto investor can have complete control of their funds. The software will be reading different operations which exist in the different exchanges and acting based on them. Or in the case of using the parallel arbitrage, which is semi-automatic or semi-manual, it will be acting to facilitate the purchase, either buy or sell, and taking advantage of the different prices that can exist between one exchange or the other. The personal bot can end up connecting with almost 20 different exchanges. Your personal investment does not have any limits, seeing as every crypto investor that signs up will be using their own exchanges and where they can grant, always applying their API keys, that their bot do all of the readings and operations that pertain, which means that the control is 100% of the client. Like I mentioned, these licenses are limited, and that means that once we reach the end of the available 5,000 units, there will be no more personal bots sold. This license has an unlimited time use, which means any person who purchases a personal bot will be able to enjoy with no limits of time the personal bot, and which is also included in the VIP license. But what is the VIP license? The VIP license is the union of different softwares because so many clients were demanding the ability to invest in different markets, not only in the cryptocurrency world. For this, Arbistar 2.0 developed 4 softwares destined for the Forex market, which means we will no longer only be in the world of cryptocurrency and taking advantage of arbitrage, but also that the VIP license will include 4 Forex bots and the personal bot. So that means we will be able to touch upon different markets and we can optimize on maximum benefits. This VIP license will also only be available until all 5,000 units are sold and will not only grant you access to all the products that exist right now and functioning, but all future Arbistar 2.0 products which will come soon. It will be like a fixed term price. The price of the VIP license is 5,000 euros, which is paid once and always in Bitcoin. Like I said, you find the Pipster and Pipster Plus, which are 2 of the Forex bots. They both use the grip strategy, and the only difference between the two is that one can work with a much higher quantity of volume than the other. Then we have the trailer bot and the AND bot. So those are the 4 different bots which are being worked in the Forex market with their distinct peculiarities. I recommend that you request more information about these bots because they are in fact very interesting. Like I mentioned before, these 4 bots are included alongside the personal bot and the VIP license. Once these 5,000 VIP licenses are sold, clients can continue to purchase the Forex bots separately at a stipulated price. However, I repeat, the personal bot will end when the VIP licenses are all sold. But like I said, this VIP license grants you the possibility to have them now and the ability to have an unlimited license for all of the products to come in the future of Arbistar 2.0. So what are more products that are to come in the future? Currently, the Arbistar 2.0 team is working on developing a single product which will consist of artificial intelligence. This means that this bot will be operating inside the commodities and raw materials market and will be learning, reading, and operating within the market. On top of all this, Arbistar 2.0 is planning on offering clients between 10 to 15 new softwares in 2020, which will permit them to obtain consistent passive income and with complete control of their money. We are going to have a 2020 with new developments, new products, and for those who have a VIP license, all these products will pertain to you for an unlimited time. All of those bots that are currently in the Arbistar 2.0 portfolio and all of those that are to come in the future will also be commissioned inside of the Friend Plan. The Friend Plan is nothing more than an optional way to expand Arbistar 2.0 to more clients. I repeat, it is completely optional, which means that those profits that a client will gain in the community bot or the personal bot will not vary if you participate or do not participate in the Friend Plan. The Friend Plan is a marketing strategy that Arbistar 2.0 wanted to implement on their company. The client who is satisfied and wants to recommend or sell one of their products, that said client will have a commission paid to them for that sale. So what are the basic gains that are granted in the Friend Plan? Like I said again, the Friend Plan is completely optional. But for those clients that want to do the work or recommend or sell their Arbistar 2.0 products, they will obtain lucrative commissions. 6% for the sale of a VIP license or any of the softwares that are currently active in Arbistar 2.0 to 5 levels in your network structure. 5 levels, we are talking about a profit of up to 30% that the company is distributing from the sale of the VIP licenses or any of the products that they have. In the case that a client recommends a community bot to another client and that said client makes a contribution, that client will gain a 2% commission on the profits obtained by the new client. So every week when this client is paid their weekly profits, you too will receive 2% alongside with them. Here we find the first bonus of winnings. The first bonus will be similar to the basic winnings, in which you will continue to gain a 6% commission of all products you sell to your network structure up to 5 levels. The main difference is when you obtain a total amount of sales of 30,000 euros in Bitcoin in your first level, which are your direct sales, Arbistar 2.0 will unblock your 5 levels to an extra 5 for a total of 10 levels, which means you will now have the ability to generate commissions from your level 1 all the way to your level 10, which means you will continue generating a 6% commission on sales of a VIP license or any software sold by Arbistar 2.0 and generating a 2% commission every week, but up to 10 levels, not 5, from the profits generated by the referred client. Bonus number 2. This bonus is an extra for reaching sales of 100,000 euros or more in your first level, in your direct level, and you will receive an extra commission paid at the moment of 10,000 euros paid in Bitcoin, as well all other commissions paid to a client. One of the characteristics of this bonus is that to reach 100,000 of sales in your first level, but to also sell 5 VIP licenses. For every block of 100,000, 75,000 may consist of community bot contributions, and the other 25,000 must come from VIP license sales. You must complete this each time to qualify for the €10,000 bonus. Lastly, the third bonus. This bonus is for those clients who are already quite used to recommending and building a network, and for those clients who want to feel and become part of the company. Some clients call this the Millionaires Club. This is for clients that reach €1,000,000 in sales in their entire organization, no limit for levels. This bonus is achieved always when completing this requisite and as well having completed the second bonus once before. These clients who enter the third bonus will join a pool where the company will distribute 5% of the company's monthly gains with each and every client who has completed the third bonus. A 5% profit distributed to all of those integrated and that are in this said Millionaires Club. Arbistar also is working on what is the ArbiPay card. This card will allow clients to take advantage of their winnings from the arbitrage market. The other bots are simply the community bot. This is so they can materialize their winnings and commissions and use them in establishments to make purchases at ATMs, etc. The ArbiPay card is the card that will be used and is being developed by Arbistar 2.0. This card has a one-time fee of €50 and it allows you to make purchases in commercial areas for a value of up to €20,000 or to take money out from cash machines of up to $3,500 a day. It is a good alternative to materialize those weekly winnings. Arbistar International Corp. Like we've mentioned, Arbistar is working on a major product and major project. It is not only a project for arbitrage, not only for cryptocurrency, and not only for Forex. We are talking about a structure in which there will be a mixture of different companies. For example, the Arbistar Software Factory will be one of them. The community bot will convert into a private club, which will also be one of them. And it will include different companies that will allow for more clients to diversify their portfolio. It is an investment development for those clients who want to have different opportunities. Arbistar is creating, revisiting, and legalizing all these different pillars to create what is this grand corporation. They are taking advantage of all the different possibilities and giving opportunities to clients to diversify and be able to embark in what today is the most intelligent financial development in the market with absolute security. Here are some of the official links. I recommend that even though the internet offers many sites and information, that you speak to the person that referred to you this presentation and refer to the links that are offered to you. For example, the official webpage, arbistar.com, official YouTube videos and the YouTube channel. We have a meeting that is done every Wednesday, our success call. It's done every Wednesday for people that speak Spanish at 8 p.m. Madrid time. And for those of you that speak English, on Fridays at 3 p.m. New York time in English. Also, for those of you who want to join our Facebook group or our official Facebook profile, you can find that here. So as our CEO, Santi Fuentes, always likes to say, we do not sell dreams, we sell technological solutions with built-in freedom. I recommend that you speak with the person that has facilitated this presentation to you if you have any further questions. And on behalf of Arbistar 2.0, we wish you a world of success.